急靠一边儿。
待会儿我们一定要留意。不要跑偏啊！走喽！
So here we go. We just running the machine one step by one step. This is the first pile in the workshop. This is the feeding table. We have 2 units of the feeding, and now this will be the first step for forming.
听了吧？
These 2 units of the roller help to regulate the feeding sheets.
完美。
这个放倒着，放倒着。
这没事，这个东西。
The side roller will regulate the feeding sheet on the side
你靠不动的。
这边靠了。
in age of the material.
这个往这儿我靠正好，这个板整体往这靠。
现在差多大？
We just adjust the vertical roller to age of the material. There is 2 hand wheel for adjusting the vertical roller.
好，顶回来，这会儿。
等会儿，前面还得往前。
It's going through from the first step to the secondary step.
走点儿。
And between the rolling stands, we have the vertical roller as well. Still have to guide the sheet.
你看这拐杖，
稳得了一塌糊涂。
看着。
对不对？
那朝外有反了。
这么沉，
Still use this sort of the
背不动这个。
hand wheel to adjust the side roller. This because this is just in the coming or in the feeding part. It's very important to guide the sheet to insert into the forming roller. That is 2 units for feeding, guide the material, and this is the first forming, secondary forming steps. It's ongoing. Okay, here we go.
走
We continue from the
Go.
first station to
走，
go through to the secondary
好嘞
station.
靠厘米。靠厘米，靠厘米。好的。顶上劲儿，先顶上劲儿，
好了，
这顶。行，这样是。行，往下走。淡定啊。
Now the plate reached to secondary station. Let's move to the
走，再走一点，走。
now it's reached to
走，
going to reach third step.
走。好，等一会儿，把车轮拧。
点它。
And now we just moving the side roller to against the material edge.
啊，
你大点。
This sort of the vertical roller, as I told you, there will be regular the sheet place to make sure
问题不大。这个你小心点，衣服啊，跟你说，弄坏了我赔不起啊。也是，这衣服它比较名贵。
这一款多。
有史以来这种冷门什么啊？ 现在就去还是。
Now the sheet reached to 4th station, and now going to cross to the 5th station. This is the vertical roller between the 4th station to 5th station. Now it's reached to 5th station.
好，
Okay.
对，第二个转它。对对对。
这可是
跳了他妈的整个
这个长得有点矮。
矮了啊！
对，
因为现在没有。
走吧，走吧。
It's 5th rolling station to go into 6 rolling stations. And we can check the bearing inside the roller.
手指擦手指。纹丝不动。纹丝不动。
The most important thing, we also want to check if the material will be scratched on the roller or even the roller will damage or not. So it seems like it's not.
好了，再换
Everything
一
is
个
good.
开一个。
And now it's going from the 6th to 7th.
对，转第三个，转第三个。走吧。走吧。
这台设备做成功了，圈里去了。不要牛逼。
And this is the 7th rolling station. 7th rolling stations. Now we can check the profile. The shape is become big V. 7th to go to the 8th rolling station. This is 8th rolling stations going to 19th.
好了。
再转一个，再一个。
19 rolling stations.
小姑帮我打灯光。
9 going to 10. Nine going to 10. Vertical roller
小姑，你看齿轮啊，跟
and
你说啊。
10 to 11. Now it's 10 to 11.
转一个，再一个。
Vertical roller. And we can check how much bigger is the roller it is. This is 11. And I go into 12.
稳得了一塌糊涂啊！
Then 12 going to 13. This is 12
可以
station.
吧？
12 go to 13.
好了。
好，转一个，再一个。
This is 13 stations, forming station.
漂亮，
行吧，
漂亮，
来，
可以。
Let's check how it become.
这个
Now
我这
going to 13 to 15. 13, now it's coming up from 13. And going to 14 station.
好，再来一个。对。
It's almost done. This is the last two stations, and here we have very big gap. This place is just for later if we wanna change or do some job, so we got some space for later.
内滚它那个挤得太过了。过了。对，你看那个油行出来，它每方面都张开了。
This is the last two secondary station. We got U Purlin is here. There will be last station, so we got the final product. 阿宇，你不要在我的镜头里。This is what we promised you we're gonna happen in our machine, so we succeed. And let's check, this is the cabinet. What we have is 6 units of the inverter. That is delta. This is the cabinet which is used for control this machine. And we got 12 units of the inverter, and this is wholly completely unit of the cabinet. And this is giant machine. Each rolling station we coupled with 1 unit of the motor. And the gap, the roller gap can be adjusted by this sort of the elevator. As we have promised you, the machine can rolling up to 6 mm as well as 12 mm. So this can gonna be happen on this machine with this sort of the elevator for lifting up the roller gap. Thank you for watching with us. One more time. So this is the product. The sheet thickness is up to 12 mm, and the U Purlin size is 200 in the bottom and 200 for height. And then let's check the sheet thickness. It's 12 mm. So this is the product coming from this machine. It has combined 6 rolling stations, and each station has combined with 1 unit of the motor, and the motor is 15 kW. This is the completely unit.